That's drunk Tyson. Oh. There's fire. What do we got here? Oh. The beer's in here. It's pretty hard out here. You gotta get your own beer. You gotta open it yourself and everything. It's like crazy times out here. But let me tell you, the Budweisers are big. Cheap. Sweet Bud. I don't need this one anymore. This one goes out there. That's what we're up to out here. What's this? Oh, this is the tent. One hell of a tent. Survived the storm yesterday. See that? The Canadian tent. It's made in China, though. Well, let me take a picture. Act sexy.
Okay, you want that? It's okay. That's you.
Show it again.
Oh, this is, oh my God. Hey, no, you're going to show it. No, this is very secret. But I can.
It's all right. Oh my God, it's Mickey Mouse. Hi, Mickey.